Ever since I started my business and I was able to do my own background legwork in the business, I found it to be 100% factual. And I'm coming on today to share this particular video because I think there's people out here right now that simply don't believe it. Well, I'm going to share something with everybody in YouTube land right now that you've never seen me post before. I'm going to post a check that the company, Quality Recovery Agency, just received a check on July 17, 2024 for $28,000. I'm gonna let everybody see it right now. Can everybody see that? $28,000. Company's name on your screen, Quality Recovery Agency, $28,329.93. Look down a little bit lower, Surplus Recovery Beneficiary Locator Services. Can everybody see that in YouTube land? Does everybody see that, Surplus Rockstars? We are making a tremendous amount of money. And I'm going to leave this up here for a minute because for all the people who don't believe that this is true, I want you guys to understand that this is 100% the most lucrative, self-fulfilling business that I've ever been a part of. Can everybody see that? $28,329.93, July 17th, 2024. The company's name is Quality Recovery Agency, LLC. So let me put the myths to bed of people that saying that you cannot make money in this business, because that is 100% absolutely not true.